Welcome back to Impromptu Sheepdog Nation. I was not planning on making this video today, but microwave in my house broke, put a new one in. It's like, how am I gonna get rid of a microwave? And then, since I fortunately keep a emergency supply of Tannerite on hand, which is something everyone should have in their 72-hour kit, I went ahead and brought this out here, and we're gonna find out how much Tannerite it takes to blow up a microwave. This is half a pound of Tannerite. That's a lot more Tannerite. Just for good measure. How about a little more Tannerite? And because this is America, a little more Tannerite. So, we're gonna put our nice bowl of Tannerite in the microwave. And we're gonna shoot this. Got a little helper out here with us today, so we're gonna go ahead and shoot that Tannerite now. What was that, Bubba? That piece of the microwave was in the air for like 20 seconds. That smoke cloud though, man. That was funny. That was something, huh, Bubba? Yeah. Yeah. You wanna shoot some more? You wanna shoot some more? Is that fun? Yeah. Yeah. Did you like the Tannerite? Yeah. Yeah. You want to go see what happened? No. So we were sitting 50, 60 yards away, and pieces of microwave were raining down around us. This is the biggest remaining piece. That's the metal frame, like the skirted body. That's like the metal mesh grate. That's what landed right by us. There's like pieces of microwave everywhere out here now though. I'm never gonna get this cleaned up. There's the back of our microwave. The motor. Well, we got rid of all the scrap plastic. So, how much Tannerite does it take to blow up a microwave? The world may never know.